Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you real quick how you can post on Instagram from a PC, a desktop computer, a laptop. Alright, so we're going to use Chrome to do this. It's very easy. You don't have to download any programs, you don't have to install any plugins or extensions, you don't have to register on any websites or anything like that, and you don't have to pay anything. So it's completely free, hassle free, and it's very easy. Alright, so you're going to come to Google Chrome. If you don't have it, install it. Jesus Christ. Okay, and when you open it, before you go to Instagram, if you open Instagram.com and then you do this, you're not going to be able to post, right? You're going to have to do it again from the beginning. So before you go to Instagram.com, you open Chrome and you press F12 on your keyboard. Okay, and this is going to open the console. Now see here where my mouse is. You're going to click to switch to mobile view. Okay, now you switch to mobile view. Now you can bring this down a little bit. Okay, now you go to Instagram.com. Right, now once the page loads, okay, see here the plus button. See, if you open Instagram first and then you do F12 and the mobile view and switch to mobile view, you're not going to get these buttons here, and you need this button to be able to click it and upload a photo. So here we are. We come to Chrome, we press F12, click to switch to mobile view, and here we are. Now we're going to click this plus button here, just like if you were on a mobile device. You're going to click this button here, and it's going to pop up. Now you're going to choose your photo. It's going to upload. All right, maybe you want to click this button here, make it a little smaller. Click next. Insert a caption, my best caption, maybe a few hashtags, and then you click share. Okay, wait a few seconds. Boom, done. Okay, here we are. The photo has been posted. If I go to the account, the new photo is right here. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's so simple. Okay. The one thing that you can't do, that you would be able to do on a smartphone, say you uploaded the photo and you wrote the caption and there was something wrong with the caption and you want to change it. You can't. On a smartphone, if you come to the photo and you click this and you click here, you're going to have an option to like edit post. But here you don't have it. All right. You don't have it. So if you make a mistake, you go ahead and delete the post and simply upload it again. That's all you have to do, right? With the correct caption or whatever it may be. Okay, guys, so basically that's it. That's how you do it. I've used this extensively. It works. There's no problems. Like I created a brand new Instagram account, and over the span of 2 days, I posted like 200 photos on it. Right? It took some, it took some time to do all of that, but I did it. And there's no bans, there's no blocks, there's no problems. So that's how you do it. It works. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you a lot more good tutorials like this. And if you click the link in the description of the video, you're going to be able to go to my website where you can see a few other methods of posting to Instagram, Android emulators, plugins, extensions, websites, blah, blah, blah. And if you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment below this video or leave a comment on my website. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.